Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY using these chargers again. So I'm starting with some of these chargers and I'm using also some D-rings. I picked these D-rings up from Walmart and these are going to be what I use to hang these on the wall. This is optional. You can use whatever hanging piece that you would like to use. So I placed the D-ring down and I used my drill to start the pilot holes so I can place my screws in. And then I removed it to continue placing those holes. I just kind of marked it so I'll know where the holes need to be. And then I just used this drill to go in on the charger. You don't want to put a whole lot of pressure, but you do want to put a little bit of pressure to be able to let the drill go through. And I just placed the screws on there and changed the bit out on the drill and screwed those in place. So I decided to decorate my chargers using some rhinestones, and here I'm just using some hot glue to glue some rhinestones down on here. You can design it however you desire to do it, but I'm using a pattern of, I'm doing 3 at the top close to the rim, then I'll drop down a little bit and go in between the 3 and put 2 rhinestones, and then follow on a third row with 1 rhinestone. So a triangle shape is actually what I did, and I'll show you up close in just a second. And then follow that same pattern all the way around until the charger is complete. And this is how it should look once you have this same pattern followed all the way around. Next, I went in with a row of rhinestones. Going in between the triangles, I placed 1 rhinestone, and this is like on the lower part of the charger. So I dropped down and I went kind of on the sides of the lower part of the charger and just went in between each rhinestone and placed, I'm sorry, in between each triangle and placed 1 rhinestone. But like I said, you guys, design it however you desire to do it. If you desire to do this project, it's going to be totally up to you how you design yours. And yes, you will have a lot of glue strings. So if you have a one of those heater things to kind of get those glue strings out the way, or blow dryer, you can probably possibly use those things to get those out the way. But I just kind of use my hand to just rub across it and just kind of pick them up out of the way. So next I use some of these plates. You can get these plates at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6. And I'm using some of the Dollar Tree mirrors. Of course, the mirrors now at Dollar Tree are smaller, but these are some of the old style mirrors, but the smaller ones will work just as well. And I use some of the E6 style. Now, I use some Fix All, but you can use whatever type of strong glue that you want, and some hot glue. And I'm gluing that mirror down to the center of the plate, and I'm going to be placing it on the charger. Now, I'm just showing you here. You can place it on there, just glue it down like this without using a napkin ring, but I'm actually going to use a napkin ring to give it a little bit of height when I get ready to glue my plate down. So I was just showing you that option. You can do it without the napkin ring if you choose to, or you can use a napkin ring. So I like with the napkin ring on there, I like how it makes the plate stand out more. But also I wanted to use some string lights to show you guys that you can also use that as an option to light these up. But however, the package that I was going to be using, I was only going to show you with just one. And the string lights that I have, when I took them out the package, the wire was already damaged. So I won't be using that to show you guys. So just use your imagination, but you do have the option to do string lights if you wanted to do so. And you just wrap it around the napkin ring to light it up and place the battery pack somewhere on the side or on the back of the charger. So you also want to use some strong glue to adhere this to the charger and follow up with some hot glue. And I use plenty of hot glue, just like I use plenty of hot glue to glue it to glue the napkin ring to the plate. You want to do the same thing. And even if you have to take your hot glue gun and squeeze in between the charger and that plate to get more hot glue on there, you want to do that because you want to make sure that this is secure, because adding that mirror is going to add some extra weight, so you want to make sure that it's going to stay in place. So I also used some rhinestones to decorate the plate. So I just kind of went around and just placed rhinestones on the plate itself, and I'll show you that look in just a second. So I created a set of 3 of these, but I also changed the pattern of the rhinestones, and I just kind of spaced them out. I still did like triangle shapes, but I spaced them out and made them further apart. So I used less rhinestones on the other 2, and I'll just place the one with the most in the middle, in the center, when I hang these on the wall. But like I said again, design these however you desire to do them. I also placed a second row of rhinestones on the plate, on the middle plate. Like on the first one, it was just 1 row, but on this one, it's 2 rows. So since it was less rhinestones on the charger, I put more rhinestones on the plate. So that is all that I did with this project. This was supposed to be included in the project for last week, but it would have been way too long. So I just broke it up into 2 videos, and I actually have more ideas with these chargers. Maybe I'll do the idea that I suggested in the first video with using 2 chargers side by side. I'm sorry, back to back, and um, putting the napkin ring in between that. Oh my goodness, I'm still saying napkin ring. Putting the paper towel holder in between those 2. I may do that option just to show you guys, to give you an idea of what I'm speaking of, but we'll see. So, and I'll show you guys the final look. And just remember, if you wanted to use lights, you can also do that. If you want to use the remote control lights, that would be the better option if you hang these on the wall. So it's totally up to you on how you want to do it. It's just give you some ideas to create some designs for your home. So I'll show you the final look in just a moment. So here's the final look, you guys. I absolutely love how these turned out. When you guys agree, if you agree, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. But anyway, I know it's not going to be everyone's style, but I absolutely love the way they turned out. I placed these in my kitchen, and yeah, you can place them wherever you want in your home. But I just added a little bit of bling into my kitchen. So this, and then I did another project a while back, one of my first beginning videos. I don't remember how long ago it's been, but there was another project where I added just a little bit of bling, and it's in my kitchen above my cabinets. Maybe I'll show you guys a clip of that that piece that I'm referring to. So this and that piece, that's just a little bit of bling in my kitchen, and other than that, that's all the bling that I have in there. But anyway, you guys, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking your time to watch. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And you know what to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share, share, share. And Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And here's a picture of the other piece that I was speaking of. So until next time, you guys, that's all for now. Love you guys. Peace and be safe, you guys. Until next time. Bye.